Okay, y'all, today is the first day in my annual sale. I'm finna go and grab a few items, but this video is just gonna be the walkthrough, and then I'm gonna come back with my other video for the haul, which probably is not gonna be a whole lot of stuff because I am super excited for the spring collection. And because of a lot of this semi-annual stuff is stuff that's already been out, I'm not gonna buy a lot of stuff. I'm just not, y'all. I'm excited for spring. So, and I understand I'm not trying to push the fall stuff out the way. I'm not trying to rush things at all. It's just that spring, summer is my favorite season for Bath and Body Works, you know. So, I'm still gonna do a couple of these videos, but don't expect like big hauls or anything because it's just not gonna happen. I hope it don't happen. Going to the store, I kind of want to get that new body care collection, the one that has the whip rose latte. I don't know the new name. I think it's rose and plus vanilla or something like that. I really want to get that collection, but I'm sure that stuff is probably going to be 50% off because Bath and Body Works know we have been waiting for whipped rose latte to return to the stores. So now that it's finally out, of course it's not going to be 75%. Of course it's not going to be $3.95. So 50%, I'll wait. Also, I want that pear berry. I love pear berry. It is so nice. I still have one of my old ones from back in the day. I still have it, but I want to get a new one. I'm not sure if I'm just going to get the body mist or am I going to get the body mist and the body wash. I don't know, but I will be waiting. I'm not going to get that stuff today. I'm going to wait until that stuff is marked down a little bit more. So yeah, the $10.95 candles, I have a lot of those candles and I have a lot of backups, so I don't really need any of that stuff. Will I see 75% items? I don't think my store will have them. Plus, I'm getting a late start. The stores is already open, so if there's any 75% candles that's at my store, chances are that they're probably gone. But it's not a big deal because most of those 75% candles is candles that came from the early part of the year or even last year. So I don't need that stuff. It's not a big deal. But I'm really looking for treasure finds, things that hasn't been around for a long time. Of course, one of my treasure finds is honey wildflower perfume. I will love it if I could find that perfume, but if I don't, I'm okay. I have the fine fragrance mist, so it's not a big deal, even though I would love to have the fragrance, but if I can't find it, it is what it is. I should have got it when I seen it last year. So the point of me saying all this is we've been shopping throughout the year. If you can't find some of the items that you're looking for, don't worry about it. You probably picked up at least one of that item, so it's not a big deal at all. It's not a big deal. Sometimes this stuff do come back and sometimes it don't. It's not a big deal. It's gonna always be something better. Trust me. You know, every year Bath and Body Works come out with amazing products. Some we love, some we fall deep in love for, and some that we just say, no, what was they thinking? So don't be upset if you can't find some of the things. Don't be upset if you can't find 75% candles. Don't be upset if you can't find tester candles. It is what it is, and trust, there's always another sale. No, you probably can't get $2-3 single wick candles, but you can get them free with rewards. No, you probably can't get fine fragrances for $3, but they always have $5 sales or around $5 sales on body care. So it is what it is. Don't be upset. Like I said, we've been shopping all year, so we really don't need a whole lot, to be real honest. Shop your stash. Shop your stash because we have so much stuff. So let's head to the store, see what we can find. Hopefully we find some goodies, but if we don't, it's okay. It's okay. Don't stress yourself out. It'll be all right. It'll be another sale. And then next year, bigger and better things. So don't be upset with semi-annual sale. So let's head on over here to the store, y'all, because I did a lot of talking. Half the stuff might not even be in this. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments. What are you looking for? What is some of your treasure finds? And also, how was your first day at semi-annual? Leave all that down in the comments, and let's get this going. Let's go, y'all. Okay, semi-annual sale. As y'all do see, the first thing I noticed in the store is the 75% items. I didn't even think my store would have them, so I was shocked and surprised. But as y'all do see, it's not a lot of stuff, but again, I'm not worried about it because most of this stuff I already have, so it wasn't a big deal. But when I tell you, this store was so packed, it was so hard for me to record today in the store. So hopefully this comes out right because it was so many people inside. As y'all do see, they do have these red bins out. I am not a fan of these red bins. They're messy. It's just like everything is thrown in the box. I just don't like it at all. So I prefer the old way where the stuff is just on the shelves. You know, I understand that they could get more product out when they do these red bins. It's just, I don't like it. I really don't. So they still had some of the stuff that's been out for a while. Some of that stuff was $3.95. As you do see, they have some 50% items. This is Fall and Bloom. They had a lot of that. They had a lot of the fairy tale, which y'all know I am looking for another bottle of the fairy tale. But I'm gonna wait until they mark this down a little bit. Like I said, this store was super, super, super crowded. And this is the reason why I try to come to the store when they first open, because it just be so crowded and it's very, very hard to record when there's that many people in the store because everybody is reaching for some of the same items and you're bumping into each other. So I really don't like to record when the store is this packed. As you see, they still have a whole lot of these bins. I was shocked to see one of the bins was totally empty, and it looked like that life of the party was the item that was inside of that bin, and it was completely sold out. They had tons of this after dark. It smells amazing, but 50%, once they mark it down, I might grab some more of that, but I really don't need it, but I just might. This stuff was 50%, I think, or either regular price. I don't know. They didn't have a tag over here, as you do see, but again, it's some of the older stuff. These candles was the regular price candles. These were not the $10.95 candles. I did not see any of the 75% candles. A lot of people been showing that on Instagram, but this store didn't have any. I actually like this. This is actually heavy. It's like a little marble based, even though it's kind of cheap, but that marble kind of make it a little heavy. And then they did have some of the new wallflowers. I was shocked to see that, but those are a couple of the scents that came out for Candle Day. I was happy to see them, and I did grab like 3 of them, not a whole lot. Now this is the collection that your girl been waiting on. I've been waiting on this collection, but I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer because I do not want to pay 50% for that. So I'm gonna pass for now. Hopefully it'll go down to $3.95 or $4.25 or $5.95, but I need it to be a little bit cheaper than 50%, and I am gonna grab all of the fine fragrance mists in this because I just absolutely love this collection. Y'all know I've been waiting on whipped rose latte for a long time, and I am gonna grab some of this Purberry when it goes a little bit cheaper. As far as now, again, it's a pass for me. because I don't want to pay that 50% price. So I'm gonna wait until it goes down to like the $5 price point. Then I'll, kind of grab a few of those items. Again, with the bins, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of these bins. I'm not a fan of the bins at all. Today is the first day, but come back next week. Them things gonna be gooky, nasty, stuff gonna be spilling. I'm not a fan. I said I wasn't gonna buy no more soap, but when I seen this one, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Y'all know I love coconut, and I be wanting everything that they come out with. That if it's coconut, I want it. Now this was weird. This store didn't have any room sprays. Now I'm not sure if it was because of that $6 price point. I don't know, but they didn't have any, even though the website said something different. I don't know what was going on with that, but she told me they didn't have any. So yeah, they also have a lot of the home decor that's marked down. So when you in the store, make sure you ask about some of the home decor, because a lot of that stuff is 50%. This stuff is actually 60%. I'm not sure why they had the 50% sale tag on it, but she did tell me that stuff was 60%. I ain't need none, so it was a pass for me. Again, the store was super duper crowded. Oh my goodness, look at all these people. And this was the line. This how long the line was, y'all. So yeah, I was in and out. I really didn't buy a whole lot. I'm gonna go back maybe later on in the week, but as far as now, to be continued, I should say. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Let me know, how did your first day of semi-annual go? Did you find some of the things that you were looking for? Leave that down in the comment area. Subscribe, follow me on all of my social media platforms, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.